School is in session in most of the world, and a lot of people struggle with studying and test-taking strategies. So I'm going to do a series on those topics as part of the latest TikTok campaign, and based on spending like half my life in school to get a doctorate. This is the first video. Now, when it comes to studying and test-taking, your greatest opponent is often yourself. The process is a psychological battle, a series of mind games that you play to outsmart your own brain's tendencies toward distraction and forgetfulness. By understanding these mental processes, you can develop powerful strategies to master both learning and performance, so both studying and the test-taking itself. Let's delve into some of these techniques. So when it comes to studying, we're going to talk first about color psychology. First and foremost, you have to understand the organization and structure of your study material helps the brain manage and recall the information better. For starters, research has shown that the brain remembers information better when it's presented in color. Color scenes help our brains organize, compare, and recall information more efficiently than just black and white ones. This is why color coding your notes can be so effective. You can do this in your highlighting and your flashcard creation. So to leverage the power of color in your studies, consider these tips. First of all, you want to color code by subject. So assign a specific color to each topic within a subject to create a mind map. This helps you visualize the connections between different concepts and make the information more memorable. Using highlighters and note cards of different colors for different types of information can help your brain create mental tags, which helps you organize and retrieve information. For example, you might use yellow for important terms, blue for definitions, and maybe green for examples. Or you can build flashcards for each of the 3 branches of government, each of the body's biological systems, each geometry concept, or each topic area in real estate if you're studying for that license. You can use a different color flashcard or a different color pen on your white flashcards. The thing that's important to remember here is you want to use a limited palette. You don't want to go overboard with too many colors. Using just 3 to 4 colors is enough to make distinctions without overwhelming your brain. You also want to use color consistently. So the key to using it for memory is consistency in the way you apply it. So if you decide that all definitions will be highlighted in blue, stick to that rule throughout your notes. This helps your brain create those strong associations. Tune in next time as we discuss the importance of active versus passive learning and strategies to get engaged. Also, we're going to talk about your study environment and some other strategies that can really help you lock this information in.